Hi guys! Today I wanted to show you how I enjoy eating KLF. This is KLF. This is a Northern Lao favorite dish. Thai people call it cake kalungfun, and it's basically just a cold rice cake made with rice flour. So I made this last night, and today I wanted to show you the different ways of how I like to eat this. Okay, so one way is typically it would be cut up into cubes and eaten with a tomato broth, tomato or tamarind broth. But I prefer this instead. This is my pickle green mustard. I like to use the juice from this for it. So what I have here is just some cut up cubed KLF with some tomatoes. Then I'm gonna add some of this juice. Beautiful green color. This, and of course, gotta have the pepper sauce that goes with it, KLF sauce. This is fermented bean paste with peppers. Add some of this here. That. I like to top it off with some cilantro and mint. Some people don't like mint, but I love it. That. And basically you just eat it like this. And I don't need to add anything else because my sauce has everything, all the seasoning in it already. So I don't need to add anything, just like this. So this is one way of eating it. My mouth is just boy, so good. We like this kind of stuff. Okay, so this is one way. Then another way is we just cut it up into big cubes like this. Take a piece here. Some cilantro in there already. Okay, put it into a plate like that. And then we just eat it without the broth. Put some of the sauce. And then just sprinkle some the cilantro and mint. I also like to put some shredded cabbage, like that. So this is a brothless KLF. So this is one way I like to enjoy eating it. So we just basically dig in. Delicious. And then there's one more way I'll show you. Okay, lastly, I like to eat it as a soup. So I got some boiling water here. I'm gonna add some of my KLF meat sauce. A good heaping scoop. Season it with some chicken bouillon. Like that. And then got here some cube cut up KLF. So get it in there. Should have dumped the water out before I did this. Easier. Anyway, there we go. We got some tomatoes. And lastly, eggs. Just drop them in there. This is it. Another way to eat it. That's a soup. Gonna garnish it with some green onion and cilantro. Turn over heat. Instant soup, guys. Oops. Get a new bowl here. And voila. Very delicious, simple, easy soup. Get this soft, silky texture, almost like eating soft tofu. Really good. Delicious, delicious. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.